Alright guys, so this is the new strategy, right? Body out. And I make it so simple. Look. So if you want to find over 0 best pairs of execute, press this. I say volatility. One is that I say you just click it and press other point and you lock it off. But because the other point it take trades very fast, guys, so not be careful, see it? And what I do, I test it on a small account. So I start with $1, right? I'm a biller, I literally a bill it with the $1. We say I can go $100 because the overall aim is for people who have small accounts can literally grow them accounts safely. Alright? Once you follow the instructions, over time you can mostly for small accounts. So we'll be gonna start from $1 and I'll show you. So basically I just do that. The start other point, guys, it takes trades in a milliseconds, meaning even in 1 second it can take all 20 trades. So once you turn it on, you click up here, so and then you turn it on, you have to turn it off back same time. Alright? Now we lock off that. I'm not really like use it too aggressive, or so we have build a small account. We just are telling you how it work. Now the start analysis part now, right? So now you see it show you the recommended barrier for use and it show you rising. Once you click allow point, I same thing, it takes trades in milliseconds, but it take the over 0 it recommend. And it slowly switch if there is a next best barrier. Alright? So if under 9 become the better one, it will literally automatically switch it, or you can switch it, you just click it. Alright? Now, as I say, small accounts, why is you use that? Now, right below it, now you say advance over 0 or burst over 0. I rather not take one trade, so you select one. So if you place a trade, at one trade it will take based on where you analyze right here. So if you start say over 0 and you don't want to use the other point too fast, you can place one trade. You see me? I'll show you over 0. You place one trade. See it? We dey able look if it's a good setup it. We just place it, show you now. Alright, lock off that. Alright? Now we scroll down here so now, guys. Now here so you can choose the barrier that you want to work with. So if you want to focus on over 3, all of that. As I say, we have played safe. Over 0 and under 9 is the best, easiest way. The enable random over and under, guys. What this do, it plays over and under depending on the analysis in real time. Alright? But as I say, I want to learn the manual way of trading, guys. So no depend over 0. And as you say over 0, the 5% and 9, the 0%. You can click 9. And when you click under 9, it can click it will paste one trade. When you click instant under 9, where you see 3 times trade, that click 3 trades. Look. 3 trades. 1 time. Everything. You see me? You win all 3 of them. Because it not get touched. You see the highlighted where you see the bank with it. All of them they are digits them will get touched literally. Alright? So you see 9 just get touched. So you know say you go avoid that for a while. Now the over 0 there's 5% because it hardly get touched. There's 0, so win that, see it? Alright. Easy as that, guys. Look. 5 get touched. Remove 5 get touched. 0 just get touched, so you go on a 5%. All no one know. I'm telling you the best logic, guys. You see when you see the highlighted logo, go over one big digit, you can execute a small digit. A big number more likely for a big number all the time. So if you see it up on 9, you can click on over 0 and more likely it not go lose. You see me? Now, the same thing with 9. Once you see it they're way below, so if you're in the range of 0 to 3, you can execute a 9. But if you're in a range of 9 to 7, you can execute a 0. I'll go over that again. So we just win it. So if you're there 0, if you see the highlighted part where I show the last digit touch, there from range to 0 to 3, you can execute a large trade, a large digit like a under 9. Now if you see the 9 to 7 or 6 I get highlighted, then you can execute a small digit. You see me? Yeah. So it's easy as that, guys. Plus it will show you right here, so over 0 100% right now. Because there's 0, it don't get touched. You see me? So win that. You see it? It's very, very easy, guys. Now the scanner right here, so guys. So if you don't want to switch on up here, say you don't want to say it a say jump 100 at best right now, and you select it and you start place a trade, like you click this and place a trade. I jump 100 trade you go place. But when I select it though, you see me, come like that pair. You see it? So it's very very easy guys. This can literally make you milk the market. Alright? Now once you understand no good, the over one, if you have to select over one and start analysis, basically you search your peers were best for over one right now. So if you set this and you click this and then you click start all up point, that take rapid trades for over one. You see me, until you lock it off. You have to lock it off guys. It execute trades very fast. Same with the over 2, under 8, under 9. You see me? Same with this. Turn it on. And you see say it show you say your over 0 the best one right now. And you execute a trade the other point, take it rapidly. Now if you don't want to take rapid trades, and you set so you click your under 9 right here so. And you click. Cause look. I click over one and you see say right here so down below where you say advance under 9 you see change. Alright, so one time it not change and when you know say yo it's not recommended right now because it's declining. But anything arise and you click it, that I got trade. Alright? So it now go execute a trade where it now recommend the best. So by the way, not even if you click the pair, it will just choose the best. So it will show over 0 right now, you place at over 0, and that alone it have a place. See? So you lock it, you turn it on and you lock it off back same time. We'll lose that because we never check if it valid same way. But you must get what I mean, alright? And that's how it works, guys. See it is over 0, there's 65%, and you don't know you change the pair. You click in the scanner right here, so change the pair. See there? Pair change, execute. Simple as that. Change pair, 3, look. See it so fast to go back in a profit. That's how easy it is, guys. Very very easy. So once you're looking at the over and under reading and you see like the over 0 there, like all 80% don't execute that over 0 until you see the 19 to 90%, 95%, 100%. You see me? So once it the 90 and up, it go for trade, but I recommend you wait till the 95. Alright? Same with the under 9. You see me? I win that. So simple, guys. So we are good a small account here with this strategy, and plus me I go on it right now. So if you don't want it, just let me know if you don't want the strategy right now, guys. Alright?